Hello people, thank you very much for stopping by. We are doing another JavaScript video. We're going to start off with classes. We're just going to break this down video by video because there's so much to go over when it comes to classes. We'll start off because I'm going to go over the basics real quick. Class, fighter. I'm a huge UFC fan. So, what I'm going to do, make this constructor. And you need a constructor. Now what the constructor does is it gives you, I'm going to do things like variables like names, just what's going to go on the bottom. Like you see, we're trying to get a result like this. I already have it basically done. Ranking and we are going to do weight class and then this dot name equals name, this dot ranking equals ranking, this dot weight class equals weight class, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to do all this. The constructor, this. These are actually going to give these sub-properties to the constructor validation so you can plug them in. And now what you want to do is you want to add variables to fit in to the equation. So fighter 1, fighter 2, we're going to keep these lowercase, fighter 3, and what we're going to do is new fighter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the 3 that I chose. Some of my favorite on the roster. Tony Ferguson, rank 7. Lightweight. And then we got Yuri Prohajka. Yeah, I think he's rank 3. Not too sure, but I'm going to go with that. This is what I believe his ranking is, but he's very up there. He's next in line for the title shot, so I'm pretty sure he won't mind. Light, heavy weights. Peter Yan. He's an interim champ. Phantom weights. Console.log. Fighter 1. Console.log, fighter 2, fighter 3, right? So what you have is you have all the consoles with all the fighters. This is added to the class because the class is fighter. And then as you see, the names are the first value, the ranks are the second value, and the weight classes are the third value. This name equals name, this ranking equals ranking, and this weight class equals weight class. The variables of fighter 1, fighter 2, fighter 3 are all in the console log, and you do want to make sure that they have a lot of detail to them. They all are going to have a semicolon at the end of it. Now we're going to run this code. And as you can see, this is the code that just got ran. I'm going to debug it. We're going to run it one more time. See? And as you can see, we just ran it. Down here, fighter, Ferguson, rank 7, lightweight. Yuri Prohashka, rank 3, light heavyweight. Peter Yan, interim champ, bantamweight. And that is how we do classes and how we add variables to them and plug the variables into the classes, so you can see any sort of thing that's like a giant library of data. So you have like names, rankings, weight classes, and that's pretty much it for the first lesson of classes. Other than that, we're actually going to use UFC fighters as a tablet for the up and coming lessons. So after this video, we're going to keep going with this, and I'm going to use this just so I could, get my passions out there. But we have more to learn, like instances and such, and I intend on teaching you guys those things in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for those. And also, again, thank you guys very much for sticking with me on this channel. If you've been watching any of these, it means a lot. Please boost that algorithm, help me get out there. I know you got a lot of options for when it comes to coding channels, but I'd like to thank you for choosing mine. So thank you guys very much. Have a good day.